So guys, I sent my girlfriend in the kitchen to share my dinner. However, I saw her editing her video. So I decided that I want to mess around her. Oh, she looks so fine. She did her hair and she did her makeup.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Shad Easy in the cut, and I'm back with another video. So as you can see down below by the title, you already know what this video is all about. So I'll be reviewing this wig from Yolova. They were kind enough to send me over their 13x4 lace front balayage highlight wig. It's 22 inches long. Period. So guys, I'll be opening the package right now for y'all to see what came inside the box. The box is looking like this, and I must say that their packaging is really cute. I love it so much. So everything that they send to me have their name on it, right? It's branded. Every single thing is branded. So on the box it says "Born for Beauty," period. And it says "a lasting natural looking solution," and on here it says Yolova. So I'm gonna open the box so y'all can see what's inside the box. Alright, so guys, don't mind my crusty fingers, but when you pull, so it looks like this, right? When you pull this part to the side, you can see that they have their names on the box again. Who you know? Who you know I gonna brand them something like that? Okay, so enough rambling, let's just go into the box. So they sent a little dust bag, like a wig bag. So on it they have their names printed, so you can mix up the wig. You know, say a Yolova wig. So guys, before I show y'all the wig, I'm gonna show y'all what came into the bag along with the wig. So they sent me two pieces of wig caps, which is really nice. And they were also kind enough to send me a tweezer, and they sent me a pair of lash, but I don't understand. Is the lashes for me? Like, can you see this, guys? I'm not really wearing lash here, but thank you so much. So guys, last but not least, let's just get into the wig. So the wig is 22 inches long, and it's their 13x4 balayage highlighted lace front wig. So of course, you know, they have to secure the wig, so they put it into a mesh. And this is how the wig looks straight out of the packaging. Guys, the wig is really soft, and I'm not exaggerate on the softness. It's soft, good quality. This is what the lace is looking like. So I don't know much about lace. I'm gonna go to my hairdresser to get my hair done soon, but I'm just showing you the hair before I put it onto my head. So as I said, the hair is 22 inches long. It comes with a comb at the top, two at the sides, one in the back, and it also comes with an adjustable strap so that you can adjust the hair onto your head if your head is small like mine. And guys, I was able to wrap up a coupon code for y'all. So if you guys are interested in this hair, there's a coupon code down below in my description box where you will get 20% off this hair, or 20% off any other hair that you like on the Yolova site. So just get you a motherfucking wig, period. So guys, let's just get right into the install. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and join the gang, period. Let's go. So guys, I'm about to go downtown to get my hair done. This is what I'm looking like. Watch out, because I'm looking like this, period. So I decided to wear this because of the hair color I'm gonna put in. As y'all saw, you already saw what the hair looks like in the previous clip. So yeah, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. I'll update y'all when I'm in that cab or when I'm by my hairdresser.
The one that you should know.
Tiktok, they like that already.
It's the color for me. It's the scalp for me. It's giving.
It's pretty cold outside.
Okay baby, so this is how my hair ended up looking. It looks super good. It matches my complexion really well. The hair is super duper soft. The lace was good. Everything about the hair was really good. It was easy to install. The lace wasn't too thick. It melted into my skin perfectly, and I really love how this came out. I have no regrets with this hair, and I want to thank Yolova for sending me over this hair so that I could review it for them. There is a discount code down below in my description box, so if y'all are interested in this hair, you can go cop you one, and that's on period.
It's pretty cold outside.
You ready now? Oh yeah. Oh yes, do that.
You ready?
Ready. Is me look like that? It's not me. It's you.
So guys, I sent my girlfriend in the kitchen to share my dinner. However, I saw her editing her video, so I decided that I want to mess around her. Oh, she looks so fine. She did her hair and she did her makeup by herself and stuff. You know, she likes to get her thing done like properly. Yes, and she looks really nice.
Picture them all, figure them all nice.
It's my smile for me. Okay guys, so I know I'm looking really crazy right now, but I'm really hungry. So I ordered some food and the delivery guy is here. So I'm gonna go pick it up. But my hair is giving. I'm look so. No sir. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
So guys, if you don't want to know about food them, anything you want to do, if you don't want to pay on a bill, light bill, water bill, man bill, call it.
Anything.
Yeah, 2.5. Anybody know want to pay? If you don't want KFC, Burger King, pizza, anything, he does deliveries.
Anything, man. Call anytime. Fast delivery. You know?
Tell them your number.
5300477. Company name, Full Force Delivery Service.
Period. Later.
Yeah.
So guys, I am really hungry, so don't mind the box. This is shrimp chow mein and this is chicken and chips from a Chinese restaurant. I'm gonna stuff my face. I am stuffing my face already. I hope that y'all are enjoying the vlog so far. And if you are, just slap a like on it. Turn the like button red. Or red or blue. Turn it blue. Turn your post notification on so you can get alerts every time I post another freaking video. And if y'all want a mukbang from me, y'all can just comment down below and let me know the types of video you want. So guys, I know I'm looking crusty. Is the hair saving me? But I'm here to put y'all onto a bag plug that's on Instagram. Period. The lady come out with her package. Sorry. The lady come out with her package and then look there. The lady have her logo printed on the bag with her little, what's her name again? Slang. I don't know what I talk. But the lady put her phone number on the packaging and she also have her Instagram name on the packaging. So guess what? If you don't want to know bougie bag them, if you don't want bag for throw on the shoulder for go downtown, or if you not gonna look for no man, or when you go on a date, y'all can just go down below in my description box, click the link to the Instagram to her page, and y'all will see a whole variety of bags y'all can choose from, whether it be fashion bags to make a statement or whatever, period. So guys, I'm really happy because I got 2 bags from her and I wanted to show y'all. So let's go, let's open the bag. I didn't have to rip the bag because the lady seal or something there. So when you rip it apart, there goes her business card. You know the lady come out with her little business. Y'all should support small businesses. Like how you support any other big business. Me not get why you don't want to support small business. And if I did phone business, you don't want people support. I know say me chat about it now. But if I did phone business, you don't want people supporting a business. So go support my girl. Period. So the lady well package or something them nice. Thank you for supporting my small business. So, all right. Okay. All right. So the lady said me want cream, beige, creamish beiges. Oh no, the color. I don't know them color yeah. It look cream. It's really nice. The quality is really. I be a good things the lady sell. See it there. Thumbnail. All right. So let's pull the other package. excited. Oh my god! It's the color. It's the color for me. The bag. Hey, like this here. Oh my god. No. Wanna look on quality. The lady only sell quality stuff, so y'all can go cop your bags at Liquor Piece. I don't know if I pronounce the lady name right, you know, but the link is down below in my description box. Also, her page details will be right here on the screen. So if y'all are interested in getting these bags and more, y'all can go check her out. Period. Somebody does put on onto the bag plug. But yeah, bye for now. Okay, baby, so it's a new day and I went on the road to run some errands with my friend. I followed her to the dentist, so that's what you're seeing here. We also went to Icon Mall to get her medications and Fentan and all of that good stuff. So I hope y'all are enjoying the video so far, and if you are, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Also comment your favorite part of the video.
Wow. Christmas, I'm Christmas, just like the one that you should know.
Alright, baby, so I'm now at restaurant trying to get a bite. So we're in this nice restaurant bar thingy place or whatever. I don't remember the name of the place. I think it's gonna show further down in the video. I'm not sure, but the food was good, customer service was A1, and the drinks was absolutely amazing. I told the lady I didn't like banana, but I wanted a blended fruit punch, and I didn't taste the banana at all. Y'all can go check this place out. It's a new place on the block. Period. It's close to where 876 Beachwear is. Still at the place named Best Cafe Bar and Grill, so y'all can go check them out. Yeah.
Why now? Come on.
Mommy, fuck you, bitch. We don't go nowhere. So guys, we are at Richard Village and we're trying to find the place. Nine Jajam African restaurant. We don't know where it is. The rain is coming down. It's falling down. It's falling down. Come on.
They're close.
So it's just that place there?
Sandwich wrap. There's a restaurant there.
I'm not just people rap. My rap are the best. I'm not just people rap.
Nice. Original.
My rap are the best. Yeah.
You can try it, but it's nice. But it's expensive.
Okay, so we're gonna try these two places. If on a TV price, how it is, if you go on taste good. Alright. So guys, can I just ramble a little bit on how upset I was this day? So imagine we go to a village, right? We go try out the African restaurant. Only for years so the people they move. The security hotel that you know, so the people them can't pay their rent. I'm upset because I didn't really wash out my belly for all of this African food business. But now we're in wraps and rolls. I was disappointed in the flatbread I bought. I told the lady I didn't want no onion, no nothing. She put onion panny. She made me pick out everything. I'm really upset now. But then now we go over Kung Fu or whatever, Kung Po, we go get some food. Anyway, I'm really upset. I not even eat, but I buy them food still. And this is what the flatbread looks like. It's shrimp flatbread without the onion and the everything else. It's alright, but it could have gone better anyways. But back to regular programming. My fish them have baby. I'm really happy for them, you know? Like I'm a fish mom. No. Anyways, this is where the video ends, guys. I hope y'all enjoy it, and if you do, just comment down below your favorite part of the video. Remember to slap the like button and turn your post notification bell on to get notified every time I post another video.